Excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money by just uploading some photos on a website. You can upload some photos on your phone or on a drive somewhere on this website, which I'm about to show you, and you start to make money. Before I give you the details of what I have for you today, my friend, let me remind you to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can make money by just uploading some photos. You might already have the photos in your phone on a drive somewhere, okay? Right? And you can start to use those photos and make some money, all right? The website which we are talking about is called Shutterstock, right? So this is the official website for Shutterstock. You can see that it's a safe site with a padlock right there, okay? Right? So what happens here is that people upload their photos on this site. And then brands like Google, AMC, America Online, BBDO, BuzzFeed, Capital One, Marvel, and others, they come right here to look for some relevant photos of their projects or whatever they want to do, okay? Right? So we've got millions and millions of photos on this website, right? And millions of photos are being uploaded every week on this website, right? So to hire a photographer is very expensive. For interest's sake, I just tried to find out the rates of hiring a photographer in 2020. You can see that it says here, hourly rates are typically between $50 to $200. Whilst day rates range from $300 to $3,000 per photographer. Photo shoot sessions and packages start at $100 and quickly go up to $500 or more, right? So you can see that it is expensive to hire a photographer. If you've got a graduation party or a birthday party or a wedding, right, and you want to hire a photographer, you have to pay some good money for that photographer. But what happens now with this website, Shutterstock, it has realized that it can make money using photos that are not being used at all by some people who are shooting photos, not even professional photographers. You and I, ordinary people, right? Shooting photos, taking photos of our breakfast, taking photos of our backyard, taking photos when we are on holiday, taking photos of a beach, taking photos of a church or a church service, or taking a photo, a family photo, right? Anything, right? So those photos can be converted into money on this website, right? And sometimes they hold contests, and then if your photo wins and you get some good money, right? So you can see that, you see, there are different brands who are using these photos. If you receive a letter from this credit company called Capital One, you can be sure that one of or two or every photo on their letter, right, is coming from Shutterstock, all right? So there are categories of photos that can be uploaded on this website, right? So people come here and they browse according to the categories of the photos they want, or even some videos they want. I've just made a video actually from the images and the videos that I took from Shutterstock, okay? Right, so you can see that here there are abstract photos, animals, wildlife, nature, science, religion, and so forth, sports, recreation, right? And these are the searches for February. popular stock image searches just in February. Okay, business, and you can see basketball, beach, woman, spring, car, watercolor, right? So royalty-free stock images, photos, and videos. Shutterstock offers the best quality free stock images, photos, vectors, illustrations, footage, video, and music for nearly any application, right? From illustrations to vectors, when you need the perfect stock image for your website or blog, we have you covered. Right? Where do you come into the picture? How do you start to make money? Right? And can you really make money? And how much traffic is coming right here? Right? Before I give you that detail, look at this. Over 321 million royalty-free images with 1.359 million new stock images added weekly. That's powerful, my friend, okay? Right? We want to see the sort of traffic that comes to this website. And we can find out by just using Google. And when we use Google, we come to SimilarWeb, traffic overview, right? Total visits, 75.83 million. And the trend is up. That's 4.46% up. The traffic that is coming to Shutterstock.com is increasing, right? And in January 2020, right, 75.8 million visited the site looking for all sorts of images, right? Because it's people are building their blogs, they're building their website, they're looking for profile pictures, they're looking for images, royalty-free stock images, right? And Shutterstock is the site to visit. And you can make money with that traffic. And when your image is bought by someone, then you start to make money. If you go on where it says sell content right here, if you click sell content, it brings you to this page. Share your work and start earning. Join Shutterstock's global community of contributors and earn money doing what you love, all right? And this is the 4-step process that you have to go through, right? Produce high-quality images and videos for our customers to download. Upload your content with our easy-to-use platform and get tips for success. Make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers, right? Then you can also earn money by referring a friend. If you refer someone to this site, you can make even more money. Earn even more money by referring new contributors and customers, right? More than $1 billion has already been paid out, okay? And if we look right here where it says see global earnings, click that one. You can see that 1 billion has already been paid. And look at the graph right here, right? In 2004, 12,000 was paid. Look at this one now, 2018, 159 million has been paid out to contributors, people like you and me. If you're jumping on this and you upload some images on this website, right, you'll be included right here, okay? Right, in 2019, we just started 2020, but by November, they were projecting that it will be 145 plus million plus, right? And the trend is an upward trend. The growth of this company is just upwards. And it means more earnings for anyone who is joining them, all right? Contributor earnings around the world, Europe, and you've got Asia, you've got North America, you've got South America, you've got Oceania, Africa is here, Morocco, Kenya. Look at the arrows, my friend, it's just going up, okay? Right, so you can read the rest of the information for yourself right here. At the bottom of the screen right here, under partners, you see where it says affiliate/reseller. You click that one, right? And then you come to the affiliate program. Join Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. All right. So each time you refer someone and the purchase, right, you get $300. Right. So, my friend, if you are already in photos or you are a photographer, right, this is your playground, okay? But let me just tell you that it is possible to make much more money on autopilot than what we have just described right here. Right here, you have to go somewhere, take photos, you have to do this and that. It's like you are working. You can set up a business that goes to work for you 24/7. Whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, whilst you're doing the more important things of life, right? So what I'm talking about is called affiliate marketing, and it gives you space freedom and the freedom to work from anywhere under the sun. And you work at your own schedule. You work only when you want. You don't have to work with a boss or under someone's timetable. So you can leverage the power of the internet to automate everything. Click the link that is in the description below, which says my #1 recommendation for building a full-time income online on AutoPilot. Right? Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.